All right, now that you've gone ahead and logged in or signed up for your Raven account, we're going to come here to the scanner selection screen. Today, I'm going to be connecting a compact. I'm going to click compact and then click continue. There's currently two versions of your compact, a network version and a USB version. If your scanner does not have a button with this Wi-Fi version, then you have the USB version. Today, I'm going to be connecting through USB, so I'm going to go ahead and click Connect right underneath USB connection. It's going to go ahead and start installing our drivers, and these are going to be the TWAIN drivers that are needed not only for Raven Desktop to view the scanner, but other apps as well. I'm going to go ahead and allow this app to make some changes so we can fully install those drivers. Looks like we're at 100%. You're going to allow the changes to make to your computer once more, and the installation wizard is going to come up. We're going to go ahead and click here on Modify, and then Next. We're going to make sure that the TWAIN driver is checked off, and then we're going to click Next. You can just click here on Next. So here it has completed the installation process. I'm going to go ahead and click on Finish. All right, now that our driver has installed, we're just going to go ahead and click here on Continue. And it's going to start searching for our scanner. We're going to give it a couple of seconds for it to locate our scanner. And once it tells us that the USB connection is successful, we're just going to go ahead and click on OK. You can go ahead and name your scanner, or you can go ahead and click continue and it'll take the name Raven Compact. And your scanner has now been connected and you're ready to move on to the next step.